Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's me, Nytrix, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own uh door badge door restricted a restricted badge door. So basically what happens is the door is there, and it'll be uh, a thing where if the player doesn't own the badge, the player won't be able to go through the door. But if the player does own that badge, the player can go through the door. So yeah. So to start this video, you just make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share, just it really helps a lot. So yeah, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. I do post weekly uploads. All right, let's start. So first, when you go to Roblox Studio, you'll see this. This is a new update. I'm still figuring out how to like go to areas. I think you need to go to model, or home. Yeah, so when you go to home, like over here, you'll see explore properties and toolbox. So just make sure all of them are open. Mine's over on this side. And then you want to go to toolbox, and yes, just open those and go to toolbox, go to search bar, and add your door. Give it a while to research. Search it up. All right. And then you want to pick your door. Doesn't matter what door. All right. So then once it's here, all you gotta do is go and add a part. Don't worry, I've done this before, but I found a way to like just do it. Don't worry, it'll work. So just place your door here. Um, scale it like this, like that. All right, then I'm just gonna put uh a wall. I'm just gonna do this and use it as a wall like this, so that it looks like a room or something. Give me a second. Let me just build this really quick. It's not gonna be looking nice, but it's fine. Doesn't matter. All right, so we just got this small room, and this is the door, right? So these parts don't matter. Just make sure each part is anchored over here. Anchored. All these parts are anchored. Okay, now you want to go and select the part in front of the door, and you want to go to explore, and you go to that part, and add a script to it. And when you add this, once you add a script, you want to go down to the comment section below and copy the other script. So give me a second. Let me get it over here. All right. So once you get the script in the bottom description or the comment section, you want to go and make a badge in your Roblox Studio. So what you want to do is search up Roblox Studio in web or Google, and then you want to go sign in the account you're using for this Roblox Studio. And then once you're in, you want to select your game that you're using for your game. Yeah, and then you want to go all the way down, and you'll see badges. Then you'll go there and you just create your badge. Once you create your badge, you want to go ahead and add the badge right here. So I'm gonna go and create a badge really quick. Um, It's like that. All right. So once I just created my badge, I'll put it over here, the new asset ID, and then I'm gonna go and create a Explorer. I'm gonna go and create a server script and make a script because no, I got this comment. That's the reason I'm making this video for that person right now. But um he probably has it, or she, I don't know, but um has it for a maybe like I don't know, you finish an obby and then you get that badge and then you get to go through that door. Probably that's how his game works. But for me, I don't have that any of those things set up right now, so I'm just gonna do as when player joins the game, they'll get the badge. So and then if they have that badge, they'll be able to go through that door. Just give me a second to get that script just really quickly. I have it in one of my YouTube videos. All right. Server scripts. Okay, right here. All right. I'm gonna put all the scripts in the description, and then make sure you wanna go and select this ID and make sure that Give me a second. I wanna go and get the badge ID again. All right. So go and replace this number with your badge ID. So now what I just did was I added a script to the part right here, and I'll show you what to do later. So you wanna select the part in front of the door, and go to properties, and then you want to scroll down transparency and make it to 1, and then you want to go scroll down all the way down and make sure can collide is true, because later on what happens is the scripts will read if you have that script, if you have that badge, and the part will go to can collide to false, so it'll be unchecked, and then player can go through that door whenever they want. So I'll show you that later in the video. So make sure, so you watch this. If I just go ahead and just cut this for now and press play, watch, I'm gonna go walk to that door and I can't go through it. See, it won't let me, but because I don't have that badge earned. But now since maybe you guys have a different way of keeping the badge earned or something, like maybe a part is done, or you touched, or maybe you finish an hobby, or you finish a horror game and you get a badge, and then later on this part will read if you have that badge and then let you in. So see, I'm gonna go and add server script, add that script back, the one that gives you a badge when you join the game. This is the one. Since this is here, I'm gonna go ahead and press play. See, I'm gonna earn that badge, or no, I'm not gonna earn that badge because you need to save the game. I'm just gonna save the game really quickly. Let me save this game really quickly because you need to save the game. So then I think it's called API services. It'll like let you earn that badge. Give me a second. All right. So now you want to go sorry, no, go to file on the top, and then you want to go press game settings. And once you go there, you want to go in security and enable Studio access to API services. And if you want, I just do this. I just allow that third party teleports on. And then after that, you want to go and press play, and you'll see over here, I earned the badge. Give me a second. Where was it? Let me fix it really quick. Let's see what's going on. Script, server script, okay. Let me copy this. Oh, okay, I get it. I did something wrong. My bad. I created the, okay, let me go. I created the wrong badge in the wrong place. Give me a second. I created a badge really quickly. Badge test 1. Create badge. Alright. Once you get your badge, just put it over here. And I'm gonna go ahead back to script, part, script, and update my badge because I used the old badge by accident. So then once you go press play, I earned that badge, and now I can go to that door. See, it's allowing me to open that door now and go through. So yeah, it's very simple now. See, I can keep going through that door. That part, what happened was the part read that script. The script, it was in the part which read that I had that. It like when it was touched by this player by me, it read that I have that badge. So now it would let me go through. See. So in summary, all I did was add a part, like in the part, and then in the I added a script in that part, and then in the script it had a code, which will read if the player earns, like has that badge in, well, the player has that badge, and if the player doesn't have the badge, it won't let player go through that door or this part, and then let open the door and stuff like that happens. But if the player does have the badge, it will let go through. Just like the video showed. Anyways, yeah, that's it. So, if you guys want me to make this into a model or and upload it to Roblox Studio, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, so any questions, just ask me. Um, if you guys want more badge tutorials, you just subscribe and visit my channel. I have more videos on um like how to get earn badge and stuff like that. And I have a lot of cool videos and stuff for your game, whatever you need. So just comment down whatever you want. I'll try my best to help you, and make sure you subscribe, like the video, and yeah, peace.